Law of demand basically explains the consumer's behavior. How do they behave when the price of a commodity and their income and taste etc. change, and how price and a demand is related. Now, law of demand is a basic concept in economics which determines all the factors such as prosperity, losses suffered, etc. by a company. Now, the law basically explains that all the other things remaining same, higher the price, lower is the demand, and lower is the price, higher is the demand. It basically means that when a price of a commodity rises, its demand decreases, and demand increases when price decreases. Now, to explain this theory, we can have a graph, say price and demand. If price of a commodity is 10 and say the demand is 50, and when price of a commodity decreases to 8, demand increases to 60, to 6, 40, 4, 20, and 2, 90, 80. Now if you plot this in a graph, we plot the demand in the x-axis and price in y-axis. Now we have completed to plot the demand versus price, and when we join all the intersecting points of price and demand, we get a downward sloping curve, which means price and demand are inversely related. That is, when price increases, demand will always increase, and demand will always increase when price decreases. Now, this theory is based on some assumptions. The assumptions being the income of a consumer remains constant, taste of the consumers remain constant, and price of related goods such as substitute goods or complementary goods are also same. Now, explanation of the law.